Dear students, today we are going to see experiment 2, operational amplifier as a relaxation oscillator. We have studied this experiment in theory. Relaxation oscillator is nothing but square wave generator. It's also called free running oscillator or astable multivibrator. Okay. For this experiment we need 0. Op-amp IC, that is 741, then 10K resistor, 100K resistor, 0.1 microfarad capacitor. This is a circuit diagram. This is 741 op-amp IC. Capacitor you have to connect between second pin and ground. This 10 kilo ohm resistor you have to connect between third pin and ground. 100 kilo ohm resistor you should connect between third pin and sixth pin. The 5.6 kilo ohm resistor you should connect between second pin and sixth pin. So components connections are over. Now you have to give power supply. You have to give two power supply for this op-amp. One is positive power supply, another one negative power supply. Okay. So from the power supply you have to take positive to the seventh pin, negative you should ground. Next negative, from the power supply, negative pin you should connect to fourth pin, positive you should ground. Then you have to take output from the sixth pin, that is square wave. Capacitor wave also we will check, that we will take from second pin. Now we will move on to the connection. This is op-amp IC, it's a 8 pin IC. I am going to place here. This is how you should place the IC. Okay. Then capacitor I am connecting from second pin to ground. 0.1 microfarad capacitor I am connecting from second pin to ground. So these are used for ground connections. These two are used for component connections. So second capacitor connection is over. Now this 10 kilo ohm should be connected between third pin and ground. Kilo ohm I am connecting from third pin to ground. Then 100 kilo ohm resistor from third pin to sixth pin. Then 5.6 second to sixth pin. Now component connections are over. I am going to give power supply. So this is power supply. I am going to use first channel for positive power supply. So positive power supply in the sense seventh pin I have to use. Positive should be connected with seventh pin. Negative should be connected with ground. I am going to give this positive to seventh pin, negative to ground. Next channel I am using for negative power supply. So there negative should be connected with the fourth pin. This is negative, black is negative. Negative I am connecting with fourth pin. Positive I am connecting with ground. Okay. Now power supply also over. Now CRO connection. Two CRO I am going to connect. Two CRO probes I am going to connect. One is for output wave, another one is for capacitor wave. Okay. This is CRO. Channel 1, channel 2 we have. So we can take two waves by using those two channels. Channel 1 I am going to use for output wave, that is square wave. So positive, red wire is positive. I am connecting with sixth pin. Negative I am connecting with ground. Black is negative, I am connecting with ground. Second channel I am using for capacitor wave, positive. Red wire I should connect with the second pin, negative I should ground. So these are our connections. We'll see the output now.